In the legal profession, exercising good manners is essential for success. Proper etiquette can help you land a job, get promotion, and establish excellent relationship with others. In today's video, I would be discussing some important etiquettes that will help in presenting yourself to be taken seriously for the job. Welcome back. Hi, I'm Sadul Nisa and thank you for joining me on this video today. It involves demonstrating that you have self-control necessary to be good at your job, have knowledge and have the ability to make others comfortable around you. A good etiquette is conveying courtesy and respect for others. Showing up to an appointment on time shows that you respect and value the other person. It demonstrates that you are dedicated to your job and interested in your work. Being on time shows you are committed to your work and keeping your word. It demonstrates that they can trust you and depend on you. No matter what legal position you hold, you are the representative of a company or a firm, and you should dress accordingly. However, what is considered appropriate will vary from firm to firm. Some firms may expect you to dress formally, that is, wearing suits most of the time. Find out what is acceptable and adhere to the norm. Every professional should avoid dirty, stained, torn or frayed clothing. Avoid clothing bearing words or images that others might find offensive. Those good old-fashioned manners aren't old-fashioned after all. Saying please and thank you and asking for permission, offering unsolicited help, all of these examples of good manners will still take you a long way in the workplace. Simple courtesy can sometimes be forgotten, but in today's legal industry, because of this, people will really notice if you consistently remember your manners. Look at the interviewer in the eye rather than gazing around the room. Allow the interviewer to fully finish speaking before responding. Don't rush the conversation or try to change the subject. Avoid constantly comparing the other person's experience to your own. Good listening skills can set you apart and will allow the interviewer to know that you are engaged and interested. Cell phones and devices are very much ingrained in the way we do business today. However, there are still times when they can be obstructive rather than productive. When in meeting, you should turn your cell phones completely off. It's not enough to turn it to vibrate mode. When your phone vibrates, it will often still be heard by others. Reaching for your phone to silence the ring or vibration is still a distraction. It draws unwanted attention to yourself and disrupts the flow of the meeting. If your telephone rings while you're speaking with others, resist the temptation to look to see who it is. Silence it immediately. Now this signals to the other person that they have your undivided attention and that your conversation with them is important to you. Be aware of what you're communicating through your posture and make sure it's good. For example, closed off or feel defensive. Now, if you keep your hands on your lap the entire interview, you could signal that you lack self-confidence and nervous. Now, while you're twirling your hair can make you look nervous, always stand up when someone else comes into the room. Professionally, you lose respect and credibility by staying seated. It sends a weak and powerless message. Think your movements through ahead of time so you're not distracted or distracting during the interview. When you're attending an interview, your handshake is one of the most important and first impression you will make. A good handshake has the power to diminish the impact of a negative impression and make a positive interaction even better. Yes, a job interview is a high pressure situation, but freezing and looking nervous will lose you points. In the few critical moments, you have to shine. Smiling naturally will make you appear confident, friendly, and approachable. A smile conveys that you're someone who can get along with fellow employees and impress the clients. Go in with questions such as details about the type of the work that the position entails, the corporate culture, and the typical career path of someone who holds the position. Don't be scared to speak up. Not asking questions can signal that you are uninformed or uninterested. Keep in mind that the job interview is a two-way process. It's an opportunity for you to learn more about the workplace and to see if the position and environment are a good fit for you. When it comes to interview, practice makes perfect. Knowing the rules ahead of time is a great start. So be prepared, be confident, and be yourself. I've linked my previous videos in the description below. Go ahead and check them. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Have a good day and see you in the next video.